Hi, everyone. As Angela said, my name is Dave Upsall, and I'm the CEO here at Actify. And on behalf of my colleagues, I want to extend a warm welcome to everyone that's taken the time to attend our first ever Spinfire C3 Summit. Our goal in putting this event together was to create an opportunity to explore and share experiences around how enterprise visualization has enabled companies like yours to communicate, collaborate, and comprehend the complex product information we all deal with every day. We have an exciting agenda that has several customers sharing their journey with Actify and what they've accomplished in their enterprise visualization strategies. We know one of the things that's extremely difficult is to find people who will be able to share those experiences. And it matters that you hear from other customers, other users, and what they've been able to do rather than just from us. That should help anyone that's trying to find the way to communicate what the benefits of standardizing on an enterprise visualization platform will bring. So this is a resource that you can refer to anytime that you need to show someone what can be accomplished. Along the way, we'll give you some insight into what we've been doing for the last 24 months, what we're working on now, and some of the things that you'll be seeing in the future from Actify. So before we dive into the agenda for the next couple of days, I want to share some news about how we're doing overall. I arrived in July of 2019, and a few months later, we all know what happened. Like many businesses, we saw an impact just like your companies did. The good news is we made some adjustments very early on based on our best guess of the extent of that impact. And not only were we successful coming out of the pandemic, Actify has never been healthier as a company, organizationally, financially, and technically. Most interesting to this audience would be the double-digit increase in the number of enterprise subscriptions year over year, not just in the Americas, but in Europe and Asia. Business is steadily increasing and it's exceeding our expectations across all three regions. It's been an amazing thing to see. But today we're here to talk about the C3 Summit. We've had experience recently with virtual conferences for reasons we all know, and it's been very positive when they've been organized around a common theme. And that theme for us today is the 3 C's: communicate, collaborate, and comprehend. Or more specifically, communicate, collaborate, and comprehend more effectively and with greater ease and little or no friction in the process. And that all starts with having a common platform on which to view the rich data assets that represent the design information we all work with. There are tips and tricks coming on how to address specific needs common in enterprise visualization, and we have quite a few of those to share with you in the next couple of days. What has enabled many of you to achieve success with your enterprise visualization strategies and its role in digital transformation is the unique licensing model we have developed that allows unfettered deployment of Spinfire with no administrative overhead at all. Our reasoning behind this offer is simple. Too often, software developers put licensing systems in place that are designed to maximize their revenue, but have the knock-on effect of constraining deployment. And if you take no other message away from the next 2 days, it should be this one. Your maximum return on the investment you make comes via maximum usage. And seat-based licensing works against that. We'll have more on that later. Most of you have investigated or heard about our Centro collaboration platform, and some of you are users of Centro, while others are using CAD Publisher. As the number of Spinfire Enterprise customers continues to grow, those customers are realizing that automation of certain activities is key to an effective enterprise visualization strategy. That might mean simply automating the publishing of viewable data, which is the need CAD Publisher is designed to fill. We've upgraded CAD Publisher to use some key Centro features and have plans to upgrade it further in the coming releases. We've all watched the advancement in web technologies over the last few years, particularly as it relates to 3D graphics, things like machine learning and user experience design that create a much more fluid experience for people. And while you might be expecting some insights into the Spinfire roadmap, and we will have some of that to share with you, we are also taking a fresh look at what we want our future roadmap to be for Spinfire, and we need your feedback. There are some truly interesting ways we could take Spinfire forward into this decade. We're very excited to share some of our thoughts with you, get your feedback on what you as customers feel would best meet your current and your future needs. One of the most exciting developments of the last 2 years has been the realization that the majority of Centro customers are top-tier automotive suppliers. In fact, 3/4 of you are in that industry, or at least in some level are serving the automotive industry. When we took a good hard look at how those customers were using Centro, we realized that a vision of simply providing some lightweight data management capabilities for managing information, setting up automations, cataloging information, and so on, was really incomplete. Those capabilities are needed as part of a solution on how to better manage your programs, but what was missing were the applications that dealt with the three major phases of any automotive program. With the help of a customer advisory board, we designed a solution that is purpose-built for program managing, using Centro as a collaboration platform and including Spinfire Web. That solution is available today in the cloud, and we will share a bit of news on that project with you as well. When we look back on our entire history, we had a vision of how Spinfire would provide the capability of serving as the PDF of the 3D world. When Adobe decided to support using interactive 3D inside of PDF files, we needed a new vision. And today I'm happy to say the work we've done with Spinfire and Centro over the last few years is crystallized now into one vision where enterprise visualization and program management are really two sides of the digital transformation coin for the vast majority of you. We have our future in vision, and we're really glad to have the opportunity to share it with you. So with that, Angela, I think we're ready to get started.